perfect Hero Knight ability. Just want to share this Clan Wars replay. So I use my P.E.K.K.A Bridge Spam deck and use the Monk ability with the Bar Barrel, so my P.E.K.K.A walk back. I have to punish him for using Royal Giant at the start, and then I use my ability and P.E.K.K.A hits the tower with 1 HP. Not even the Heal Spirit and E-Spirit was able to do anything, guys. And that's an easy tower down, and after that my opponent gave up. Easy win, guys. Do your Clan Wars every day, and for more gameplay like this, follow me on TikTok, Arkneil Gaming. I do daily live streams. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.